Hey guys, it's me back, part 2. This one's gonna be a small one. I'm going to add some sparkles in. So she gave me some sparkles, which I'll just get, so you can just stare at the slime, or actually I'll just BRB. Okay guys, so she told me to add some sparkles, or rhinestones in the slime. So she gave me some rhinestones. That was so sweet of her. I accidentally dropped them in the school, so we had to pick them all up. But then I did. Maddie, she helped me. So yeah, I'm giving this to my friend. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna add these in to her slime. Okay, there's one stuck in there. Okay, now I've added that in. Now I'm just gonna mix it all in. Okay, so I've mixed it all in, and I think it's nice. I was playing with it, and then some slime just went on my nose. Okay. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Join my notification squad or my Galaxy squad. Yeah, I'm gonna call it Galaxy Squad. So yeah, and click that Galaxy bell or notification bell. Or actually, I'm just gonna say, click that actually smash that Galaxy bell, and you'll be part of my Galaxy squad. Okay, so bye. Uh-oh.